Welcome back to Not Your Mama's Cooking Show, and today I'm going to show you how to make crustless veggie quiche. It's a recipe I got from Full Flavor Farms. I mentioned in a previous video that this is a farm that is like right around the corner from where I live. I've been going there to get my eggs, and they have all these recipes. But these eggs are pretty rad, you know. They're real eggs. They're not like processed like you get from the store normally. But they also, you know, they sell fruits and vegetables. Like I got this bell pepper from them. Look at the size of this thing. It's pretty rad. Got some onions from them. Zucchini. They've got all sorts of stuff. They have a rack of recipes, and I picked up a card on how to make crustless veggie quiche. Never made quiche before, so I thought this would be a fun recipe to experiment with. And since I got most of the ingredients from them anyways, we might as well dedicate this one to them. So thank you, Full Flavor Farms, for existing. Are you ready? Let's get started. So I'm gonna start this recipe off with my onion. Now that I've got my onion going, I'm gonna go ahead and take my bell pepper. I'm gonna go with the red one. I think that's gonna leave to some great color. Pull out the seed pod, start dicing it up. You wanna get this white rind part out of there. I'm gonna move on to my zucchini, peel it. And then let's grate up half a cup. And last but not least, 1/2 cup carrot. There are our ingredients. All right, so now that I've got all my ingredients ready, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil to my pan here. And then I'm going to throw all my ingredients in there, kind of get them pre-cooked. Little medley of vegetables going on over here. Get them evenly mixed together. Got a nice aroma to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my spinach cut up. All right, and I'll start adding in our spinach. So now that our veggie mix is all done, look at that, that looks so gorgeous. We're gonna move on to the eggs. So we're gonna take 6 eggs. And start whisking them. Go ahead and add my mozzarella. A 1/4 cup of Parmesan, because I love Parmesan in my eggs. So that's the only thing I'm differing from in this recipe. And then I'm going to add my salt and my pepper. I guess now I add this to this. Oh, it's so beautiful though. It smells so good. Take some olive oil, spread it in there, and then I'm gonna take my brush and just kind of brush it all over the pan. I forgot to put the heavy cream in the mixture, so I'm doing that now. And now I'm gonna put this in a 350-degree oven and let it bake for 40 minutes. The quiche is done. It looks amazing. I like the colors. Like you got some green, you got the red from the bell pepper, you know, you see the spinach, you can see the cheese in there. It's really fluffy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right into it. It's still steamy. So many flavors in there. You taste the onions, you taste the bell pepper, you taste the zucchini, you taste the cheese. Special thanks to Full Flavor Farms for this recipe. I'm really glad I got to try it. Definitely gonna try some more recipes from them in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a like. If there's something that you want us to cook or you think that we should cook, leave it down in the comments below. Subscribe if you like the video and you want to see more content. And with that being said, I'm gonna chow down now on my crustless veggie quiche I'll catch you next time.